Today we are doing something nobody thought to do since this palette released last year, using it for the whole face. Look at what is inside. 4 cream shades from the lightest nude to a deeply bronzy brown, matte, shimmers and a glimmer. And Urban Decay literally tells you on the packaging face contour, eyeliner, brow color, multitasking. Every review used it for eyeshadow only and called it boring. Today we are doing what it was actually made for. The lightest cream shade goes on the lid as a primer and under the eye as a concealer. Creamy, smooth, beautiful on lighter skin tones. Light matte into the crease and outer V, placed higher to lift hooded eyes, deposits darker than it looks in the pan and blends with barely any fallout. Darker brown matte deepens the crease. Glimmer pressed on with a dumb finger gives that gorgeous dimension. Same lightest cream applied with fingertips becomes the skin base. Under eyes, nose bridge, forehead, jawline and up around the mouth where marionette lines appear. Second cream shade is bronzer and contour in one, placed higher to lift mature skin. Damp sponge tapping gently over everything. Light areas first, natural finish done. Darkest shade with an angled brush makes a cream eyeliner, set and softly smudged, with a dark brown matte for the most wearable everyday liner. Now brows. Darker brown cream on the brows draws a lifted arch, filled and set with the powder shade. Do we have here anything for lips? Lighter brown cream overlines the lips. Darker brown defines them. Lightest cream tapped in the center, natural ombre. No lip products needed. Lighter shimmer on the inner corners, brow bone, nose bridge and cheekbones to finish. One palette, skin, eyes, brows, lips, contour, highlight, everything. This palette deserved so much better than the reviews it got. Let me know how you like it. Subscribe and see you soon in my next video. Bye!